clip, I'm going to show you how to pin all your panel pieces together. So the first thing you want to do is actually lay out your panels. And in my case, I'm going to have 10. You may have more or you may have less. So just line them all up. And now we're going to start pinning it together. So the first thing to do when you're going to pin your pieces together is to put the right sides together. So you line them up and then take your pin and you'll be pinning about a 1/2 inch in for the 1/2 inch seam allowance. Make sure your pieces are very lined up and very straight and just continue pinning. Once you have one pinned, then you just keep going down the line. You line them up and then continue to pin.